I'm standing in front of one of the 8 walls that have 150 names on each wall, 1,200 names total. The walls are in an X shape and the lights are in such an angle that no wall is ever in a shadow all night long. They're lit up, every single brick. They are mostly alphabetical, and a lot of them are put in with families, so a lot of the same names. Each wall has a saying on top. One of the most interesting ones is on the other side. It says, "No veteran ever really dies unless he is forgotten." So that's why we have this park. I had a real interesting story to tell you. This Grow family, we're all brothers and sisters. They had one sister. She was in World War II, but she was married and her name was Willand. But when we built the wall in 2004, she came to me and said, "I want my name with my brothers. I want my maiden name because I want to be next to my brother who fought in the Korean War. He came home from the Forgotten War, and I came home from the Greatest Generation. And I wanted to make him feel honored, and I wanted to be honored to be with my brother, to lift him up, to build him up." When we purchased these bricks, we had a whole pallet of bricks and then had them sent off to be alphabetized and the names engraved on them. We charged $25 per brick. We didn't want to make it a hardship for any veteran. I researched every cemetery in our school district, and I found a lot of veterans who have no family left. So I took those names and asked people in the community to adopt their names, and they did, gladfully so. So there's no veteran that's buried within our school district. A lot of them are Civil War and World War I, have no family around, but their names are here and they will never be forgotten. We are adding a new wall because we are full. We have 1,200 names, we're capacitied out. The new wall will again hold 300 more names. We have 50 sold as of so far, but I'm sure the names will keep coming. We don't want to turn anyone away.